Hi guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DeanOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called 4Brand. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the 4Brand works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to the 4Brand when this goes live. Now, I'm here inside of the members area of the 4Brand. Now, to put this briefly, 4Brand is a breakthrough all-in-one branding software that helps you create and sell business branding visuals from a single dashboard in just 3 simple steps. Now, you will get everything you need and more to succeed at selling your new branding services. Now, whether it's for you or your clients, 4Brand will offer you infinite customization and sell over 300 million stunning branding visuals to website owners, e-commerce store owners, local business owners, and many more. Now, without any design or technical skills, you can pretty much use this software because it's really easy to use, and also they include a training over here, a training video where you can follow along and watch and learn how this works. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of 4Brand. Now, you can use this for personal use, or if you like, you can choose the commercial plan as well, where you can use this to create logos and branding graphics for your clients. And this also includes training videos, like I mentioned earlier, where you can learn how to use this software. Now, 4Brand is really easy to use, and they do have support right over here. They do have support if you have any questions about this program, and also the training videos does help with the visual learning and following the steps provided inside of this program. Now, 4Brand, you can create unlimited logos, unlimited mockups, and unlimited client when you take this route. Now, with a lot of people joining the online marketing business, I'm sure you'll be able to take advantage of this by being able to help them create their branding and logos for their online business, and also e-commerce business, website business, and so much more. And you can monetize using this method as well. Now, I'm going to be showing you how this works. As you can see here, once you log in inside of 4Brand, this is how the dashboard looks like. This is how it's going to show you. As you can see here, you can get total logos over here, total mockups, total teaser video, total clients, going to show you right over here. So basically the numbers are going to show you how many that you created your logos out of the unlimited. So pretty much, as you can see here, you can make as much as the logos that you want to create for your clients or for yourself over here. Then here is just the same as over here. You create about 17 total mockups out of the unlimited. There's 33 total teasers of videos out of 0. Total clients going to show over here versus 0 to unlimited. It's just going to show you all the stats over here, that how many that you have created for your clients or for your personal needs as well. So for the upgrades here, it's going to give you these options if you want to get the template club. Here's the available upgrade for you to choose from. Here is the agency over here too, if you decide to upgrade this program. Toolkit and the bundle over here, so you can get access to the upgrade, and we'll be explaining to that later on this video. And here is if you want to create, for example, if you want to create logos, you can go over here, click on that one, and it's going to give you this option here, if you want to create a folder over here for creating logos. But if you want to create new logo, just go ahead and press this one here, enter the logo name, enter the anonymous, however you want to put over here. Can do some anonymous or whatever that you want to put over here for your new logo name. It's just gonna give you a drop down for your client's logo that you can create here, and hit continue. So over here, it's going to show you all the logos available for you to create. It's going to show you down over here. Then you go to the mockups. Again, it's the same procedure where all you got to do is create a new mockup there and pretty much add the name, drop down list of the name, and hit continue. And here is the logo video. So again, it's the pretty much the same procedures where you can do a create new logo video. Here you click on it, and then that's where you can start adding name, drop down list of the name over here, and hit continue. And here are the brand graphics. So as you can see now, this is where you pretty much your designs are gonna show at the bottom, right down here. Templates are right over here that you can start to choose from. So as you can see, if you want to create a template brand graphics for Facebook posts, Instagram cover, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube cover, and so much more. So that's where you can go ahead and select for the social media templates, or you can do a create new design, the same thing how you're gonna do, put a name and then just hit continue. Go over here to if you want to create or print business cards, brochures. You can do an e-cover as well, e-book cover, certificates, magazine cover, flyers, invoice, menu and recipe, resume, and letterhead, and so much more. So this is where you can create your brand graphics here for your clients. So in case if they want to order from you, then all you got to do is just pick a template of your choice, and then you can present it to them, and that's how you can make money from creating all this stuff for your clients. Now I will be providing you a full demo video over onto my not a sales page, over onto my bonus page. I'm gonna be entering the bonus page right down below in this video. You can feel free to go ahead and look it up. So once you click on my bonus page here, it's gonna look like this, and once you scroll down over here, and then I'm gonna show you where the demo video is. You can find the demo video, so you can actually see how the breakdown of how you can follow along this training here. So feel free to watch that, because again, in this video I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough of what is inside of the 4Brand. Okay, so now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up 4Brand, this is going to go live on December 14th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these blue buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, and then it's not live right now, so you're gonna see it right around here, and then that's where you can pretty much go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. Now, all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these blue buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which at time of recording this video, it's only going to be one-time price of $37 for the personal and $39 for commercial. Now also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances for earning more money. Now over here, you're gonna find all the information for the upgrades of the 4Brand. Now go ahead and click the link down below that I provided for you for the my bonus page here. So as you can see, this is the available upgrades that you're gonna go ahead and check out for 4Brand. So if you want to grow onto your business, if you want to sell all this unlimited access for the logo designs, access to the icon vault with over 3 million icons, unlimited full front collection, and so much more. Be able to personalize all this branding for your clients. Then go ahead and click over here. Here is upsell number 2, 4Brand Template Club, $37 a month. Or $197 annual. So you can do new logo video templates monthly, new logo templates monthly, and so much more. Here is the 4Brand agency over here for upsell number 3. You can do new logo video templates, new logo templates, new mockup templates, brand design templates, access to give suggestion for monthly templates. Now upsell number 4 is the unlock 4Brand agency creation. You can do a website builder, website templates, auto responder integration. You can do host website and custom domain or subdomain, and so much more. So please feel free to check this out for the available upgrades so you can increase your chances for earning more money, so you can start having this own business for your clients. So you can offer this and your clients will be able to pick and choose and be able to rely on you for their branding purposes, graphics purposes, and so much more. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my 4Brand review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase the 4Brand at the discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys onto my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.